here for senior munim no ya mama kwaba eba Melodies podcast YouTube channel. So now on the channel where there about breaking news bia ya de ebe bremo first na yes right de bia ya kan ha ya de ba kopema ya subscribe na click notification bell on this so metro send yes o ya no o subscribe ya na we mia bell on this so umia so a options be beba na we choose to select all and then no breaking news we about one sabeka Mr. ya na sama ya na say ya bon komo say bon komo story bi aba send ya mo amunim no de bia ya de ba na trese ya bon komo na say okay sisi ebe to me akasa na die si ne say e wo Kumasi ya etie for Kumasi ya na ababawa bia sorry your friend no Gifty Ado ababawa bia your friend Gifty Ado o she ne boyfriend ya china to prison na ne boyfriend no odem 3 years na the AC ne say the boyfriend no adoption you can say abduction sabi mo amunim the abduction no etie na say oyo bia you can abduction on tiasia Mr. Mami in read the dictionary no me read the dictionary the meaning of abduction atremo sisia na say what you say na dictionary no adoption say the action of forcibly taking someone away against their will, another movement of a limb. Okay, you know the first one here, the action of forcibly taking someone away against their will. Naturally say, obi actually say, ana wakochi obi now the nako she baby. A brand nipa kono enye ne pe say obewo ho na ebia wodi etuesi ne so ana sekan ana bibi. Just we ko wia nipa bibi ebia we ko wia sikeni bi ne ba na opese omutia wana bibi ntina no so eka abduction nti ne boyfriend no ya chi no 3 years out of prison ya man 3 years sa de no koye na amo say ne boyfriend no e wo prison ho no police no say omo susu say no abrantie we say prison ho no ono no oye top we dealer. There's a prison hona ne boyfriend wo no te se ba we any tramo ne we na ono no toma eye we fo no na police fo no mo suspect say na branch we eye onya free omu hu nti no omo hwa abranch ne so ne girlfriend no de bia otai e de adwane ebre abranch no so mo de mo nim say abranch ne girlfriend de adwane nkwa na de bia oye den o de bre abranch ne nti no yantia se abranche we no ehinu nya free inti police for no yenhwehwemu omo yenhwehwemu omo ehu bebi a abranche we ya we no ene tramadol so kan we ne tramadol no omo ehu bebi a ya onya free na endra abranche no ne girlfriend as usual oba no wa ye tomato stew fine owie ya wa ye enam ne kosua ne chicken ededa wo hwa enam no so odi yemuade ya kan yemuade amu ebi a ponchi ana nentwi intestine no o hwa Ghana for say enam na ye ndepa nti yemuade no no de ahyehyehye stew nim na odi bai no na police oba bi hwe se da bi abranche we de bia obia embesra no abranche we de bia obia embesra no na oba we pe na de bia ya ode adwane ba na de bia obi ambesra no any we ni tramadol no yenim because to me guys we ni tramadol no ya ode magic ene de ba na also wo your ba de bia open na obesra no so ba de bia wo de stew na ba na police oba no me say we prison officer oba no e ka say ende de me hwehwe stew we mu fi say minim say open na ya obesra no na me hwehwe mu no mo bie stew nim na mami nenimu ya asesa na fe omo bie stew nim na omo ye number ako omo hwa bibia ne stew nim nti no oba no efa yemuade no na o say ase yemuade no ya rape enyama bi ahyehye enam yemuade animu obie mu kɔhwɛ ya sɛ ɛyɛ mu adeɛ yi na wi any tramadol na mame we wa hyɛ da pack na fine egugu ɛyɛ enam ne mu a nkɔfo ka sɛ mame we nim sɛ okosua ɛyɛ parking ɔkɔ ɛyɛ selecting and parking ho school a sɛ ne ayɛ parking nyama hyɛ nyama mu a sɛ ne mame ne parking nyama ne hyɛ yemu adeɛ ni manya sɛ ɛyɛ prison officer no ɔyɛ nani sɛ oyɛ den kra mepɛ sɛ mehu de wo mu a anka still omo gya no fi sɛ nyɛ first time ne de bia ɔyɛ de bia ɔde ba ɔmo nche no na we ni asɛm aba asisi amame no ne ho atre na atre sɛ ɔhu de ɔnyɛ ne ho wo boyfriend eda prison onso wakɔyɛ ade we ama ya bɛkye watum mame no sisi aso a wo su no ɔhu de ɔnyɛ ne ho kra ɔhu de ɔnyɛ ne ho etiefo ɛna nkrɔfo kasa sɛ na ɔdɔ no sɛnya na wode ɔho sɛbe ɛbɛkɔ akɔ bɔ afawie sei ɔdɔ na sɛnya na ni bako na wo yɛ saa de na ma no na nko ɔdɔ wampa na nko ɔbɛma wa risk your life sei nti we na yɛ asɛm nkrɔfo kana o hwɛ story we a ɛyɛ Star FM mo Star FM online ene breaki story no sɛ mo humame no ne kokko sɛ ne ho tie Star FM online ena a breaki story we na title no ɛyɛ woman arrested for concealing tramadol in meat stew for jailed boyfriend. Atiasie. Na ye read I say the Kumasi Central Prisons has arrested 33-year-old Gifty Ado for attempting to smuggle weed and tramadol in a meat for her boyfriend who is serving jail term at the prison. And actually say, Mami, we did 33. We did 33. Now share Mami, we did 33. Just say a year bema the crown worry no, the boyfriend no. No be say, criminal be say, who be to me a worry na mana ye, o boyfriend. O boyfriend na wako ye say. Na yeah, tia story ne so a almost a head ne de omo kan say tramadol na so omo read the story na omo say Gifty Ado for attempting to smuggle weed and tramadol in a meat stew for her boyfriend. Naturally say we ne tramadol ne kan. Now story ne tia so I say the vigilance of a female prisons officer at duty post at the main entrance of the prisons led to the arrest of the suspects. Authorities told Ultimate News. Intino. Naturally say a female prison officer na me catch on prison officer no ya oba no. Ye na just said that be wo de bia one or de ade we ba open na de bia obesra akra we ntia ye den kra ye one ya we no o de ba no. Sa female prison officer no na ye yo chin na ye nim say female prison officer no on very word na normally no ye officers no mo ye bibisa ya reward o mo naturally say ama motivation about. Now story no yet to us I say the suspect whose boyfriend Yao Odum is serving a 3-year jail term for adoption has allegedly been selling narcotic drugs for inmates of the prison for some time now. Intended na make catch on say mame no Gifty Ado no the boyfriend no your friend Yao Odum. Na Yao Odum no 3 years or 3 years prison say okoye abduction na omususu say ya Odum wi oton wi any tramadol no ema prison for no omo prison ho no na omo prison ho ni bebia yo munya skafia omo to sa wi any tramadol na fi ya Odum ho but yo mo kan no ya oton mo na prison officers no ma suspect no but bebia onya free no ene ni asema na eda na obia sebe ya chi na other jail na osanso drugs no nti o chi na hefa biom na ode ne beko se owo jail ho deda nti o sanso chi na Mr. hefa biom na ode ne beko ntumi fa ne nko bebi afi so owo jail ho deda nti no story net ya so say police search in a transparent rubber bucket containing tomato stew and animal intestines uncovered 13 mini parcels of dried leaves suspected to be cannabis and 10 blister packs of tramadol 225 mg. Naturally say omohwemu a packet no why mama na asheda ya na packet nko 13 na so dey share meat ni mu therefore why na 13 no dey share yemu ade ni mu na tramadol nso box in kwan 10 na tell say yemwade no de ko bebre pa the box in kwan 10 na tell say ode no so share yemwade mu na tramadol no hwa eye doctors no mo ka say tramadol no enye say ye duro bi a nkrofo emfa eye duro bi a eye doctors no prescribe emma ayare for but the maximum amount of quantity as our body na etumi fa no 50 mg but the nkrofo airton wo krom no 225 mg and no it's more than what your body needs intia na yo mo fasa na emma omunya some feeling bi no because our 50 mg no your body ni here no fa on feel bibia but nkrofo mpen no amokofa sa 225 mg no intia no na efe na drug abuse now story in the say DSP Jeremiah Alale confirmed the arrest in an interview with Ultimate FM's Isaac Bediako. He said the matter will be investigated further and sanction duly applied. Naturally say, my many the idea they also echodem anisa. Internet here for travel join our comment box ni mo misre. Mon share my join our comment box ni mo. Me da say.